Welcome back to another video. Today we will be repairing the Robo-Baby from the 2002 McDonald's Robo-Chi set. Let's get into it. So, Robo-Baby uses 3 triangle head screws on the back, and you need a triangular security bit that you can find online. So, we'll start unscrewing the 3 screws from the head. Just like that. And now we can split the head into 2. And just like that, the head comes off. And now, be careful not to rip the wires off of the speaker. There are 2 more screws we need to access. They're also triangular head on the board, one right there and one right there. And here's where our batteries go. The Robo-Baby uses 2 LR41 type batteries. Right there. And you'll want to remove the old ones first if you're opening this up for the first time. I believe there was a metal tab right here, but it broke off on both of them. Doesn't matter though, because the batteries are still held in securely enough. If you do have corrosion anywhere on it, you'll want to try scraping as much of it off as you can. So now we can insert battery 1 and battery 2, and we could give it a quick test. Anyway, now that that's over, we can insert the 2 smaller screws again. Just like that. There we go. And now that that is on there, you can slip the head back on. And then you can put the 3 screws back on in the back. And now, when you press its nose, plays this little there you go. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.